Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I'm going to be showing you the cards that are included on the Come Together card class to go. So this one has 6 cards, as you can see. It has really good gorgeous fall colors, and it's using my favorite suite for fall, which is called the Gather Together. You do need to have this bundle to be able to complete the projects, and so as usual I'm going to be offering you 3 different options. So the first option is the one that has everything. So it will include the bundle, the dies, as well as the stamp set. It would also include the holiday rhinestones, jewels, as well as the linen thread, and it also will include half of a pack of the Come Together suite. So it's half of a pack of all these sheets, and also of course you're going to be getting the make and take pack, as well as the video tutorials. I try to do video tutorials for all my classes because I feel like I can show you more things rather than just instructions. In this one you're going to learn a little bit more about die cutting these leaves so that you can get a really good embossing and cutting. So anyway, so this option, the one that has everything, is $84. The second option is the one that will include the make and take packet, the video tutorials, the linen thread, as well as the jewel, the holiday rhinestones basic jewels, as well as the DSP, and that option is $52. And the last option is for those of you who has all the materials to do it. You don't need me to cut anything, you don't need me to send you anything other than the tutorial, and that option is $20. So make sure you click on the link below to register, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Like I said, everything you can see here is gorgeous. It's all about fall, and I know you're going to enjoy having this class. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.